Okay, so for to find the charges, we will need the periodic table, and here's basically how the charges work. First column, one positive, second, two positive, three positive, four positive or four negative, three negative, two negative, one negative. The last one is noble gases. They don't have any charges because they're non-reactive, and the middle part is transition metal. Transition metal. Their charges can vary, depend. Um, and the next is the rule of zero. So what is the rule of zero? The rule of zero is for compound to become stable. And to do that, the ion and cation need to be cancel each other out. Okay, so here's how it works. So let's say we have aluminum, which is positive three charges. Okay, aluminum three. We don't need to write the plus. Okay, and on the other side we have oxygen and two negative. Okay, and for them to be cancel each other out, we will have, let's see, aluminum. There will be two, and the three over here will go over here. So that's kind of the rule of zero. Now they cancel out each other out, and the compound become stable. Okay, so before we start naming ionic compound with transition metal, let's learn about what transition metal is. Okay, so in the middle, this is the transition metal. They don't have any charges yet, but the charges can vary. For example, let's say hydrogen will always have plus one charges, one positive. We don't have to write the positive. So H1, so we don't have to write a one either. I mean, but for the transition metal, let's say we're gonna use silver Ag. It could be one charges, so plus and or two. It could be even be, let's say, two negative. So that's kind of how transition metal work. The charges can be like almost any number. So yeah. Okay, so let's get to figuring out how to start naming the ionic compound with transition metal. Okay, so here we have manganese 2 oxide. So you were probably wondering what is this 2? So this is how we kind of write transition metal. The plus 2, this 2 is writing in Roman numeral, and we're gonna do this for all the transition metal. So what this means is that for the manganese, the charges will be 2 positive. Okay, 2 positive. And oxide is just oxygen. So the charges for oxygen is 2 negative. So oxygen 2 negative. And for these two to become stable, then you need to cancel each other out. So 2 go right here, go right here. So we will have M and O. So that's kind of how you do it.